Muthenya wa Saba, a lot of destruction was witnessed. Na muno warora statistics ni urona Mount Kenya ni kuo kware na destruction imwe nene muno in supermarkets, shops. Supermarkets ni cia lutirwo na njira imwe nene muno from Roysambu, Kahawa West, Makutano, Juja, Muranga, a lot of places. Supermarkets ni cia korwo shike vandalized na njira imwe nene muno. And as a result of this, andu nimakorwo makinyitwo suspects andu aria akurekuirwo nio makorwo me involved na stealing in those supermarkets and looting those supermarkets. Now the trial started in specifically right now turariria horo wa andu aria manyitirwo kuria Thika. Nashira ni okoretwo githii na mbere na I remember these are suspects na muthenya wa muthi ntwarekia okao tukiona makiheo cash bail ya 100,000 kana bond ya 300,000 in an event that turned out to be very dramatic. Korea Thika locals. Nturekire kwa tukiona women makirerera ciana ciao makiuga man they can't be able to raise that money na warora wega ni urona those people who are there, it is very unlikely that neo makorero magifuja duka icio, though wezi ndungimenya muici through kumurora, it is very difficult, but warora the innocence, the how those kids manze wako pale hivyo, unaona manze imbogi neko igireirwo kana there's just something that is going on to sell fear in Mount Kenya. Ndokoro tukiona mawakiri Ndegwa Njirũ na Gaceri me haria makima represent na uhoro uyu ni wakoro ukirehe kiha kinene muno kana shock imwe nene muno, seeing the cries that Shima Korea Thika police station atumia makiuga ati they don't even have money to go back home, matiri na tigiti wa gukane gukomba makobire, and now maretio kirigana rimwe kana bond ya 300,000. Monoroge tokoro tukiona those people the washukiwas, the suspects of vijana ranging from even 19 years to 25 years. Unaona manze ini mbogi manze they are being victimized, haria me very desperate ukoroma kiuma in those chains of police station na uhoro no ne thutha wa ukorwa ati riu megutwara gukuria industrial area remand material shira wa thina mbere na ndaigua emeritus chief justice emeritus David Maraga akiareria uhoro uyu na rauga ati you might find the high chances that these young men, they are very innocent. No nigetha kwendia guoya, nigetha gutigakorwo na undu ungi ta ucio kana nginya mbeu njithi metigire ukorwo makiumira mururungano-ini ungi. That is why they have been. That is why they are doing that. Macoke mama hold shirogithia na mbere because that is constitutional. Shirogithia na mbere, they hold them na shira no uthi nginya 2 years. Koguo igoti no riuge after 2 years ati andu acio ni innocent na hakuna kitu mtafanya. That is legal, constitutional. Na koguo hena maundu maingi muno mangorwo marathi na mbere tha ici, and all I can say is that all these things are leading to something which andu a KK matirenda kuigua. It is all adding to that percentage of andu aria mathoire William Ruto. Together ici percent kinyite ku 80% in the whole country. The more kurathi na mbere na gwiko kaundu kara hutia feelings cia andu kana emotions cia andu, you are increasing that percentage. The cries of those mothers, amwe mekuga nginya ni mekuruta nguo tondu hawana namna. The cries of those boys wenye wako huko ndani. But anyway, pay bill ni akorwo ikirekererio na anigetha uhoro uyu andu makorwo magicanga, because at this point nothing can be done. Not oria turonire Kawa Jiko na Wanjiko Thika, the DCP youth leaders makenyitwo, na at some point nothing could be done. Rigathi Gachagua hakuna kitu angeza kufanya kuwatoa. The only thing he could do ni kuassign lawyers na shirosho ukorwo gifuatirwo the same way to MP Mukunji. So some of these things ninyo niliona wakiri uria drama onaga na Babu Owino akiaria Thika locals, akira aciari ati thaa ici hatiri undu ungi tungika. Kama unapelekwa industrial area itabidi umepelekwa, tungoje the next time we have a hearing in court. That is how tough it is. Now that is how tough the KK people have decided to take it. To the people of Mount Kenya, dronaga mundu umwe akianalyze uhoro uyu na alikuwa anasema that andu aria mashinire Mawego police station hede ya Albert Ojwang, in fact it was Rigathi Gachagua saying marutirwo na a petty offense, just a petty offense, but andu aya maranyitwo Mount Kenya maraigirirwo terrorism charges imwe nene muno, charges ona utangihota ona kumenya ukwanjia ha. Like the DCP youth leaders uliona time wali rearrestiwa tena, acio matakihana nginya borithi ya Kenya. That kind of victimization is what I'm trying to talk about. Anyway guys, ndio maoni mako megi uhoro uyu. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.